Ramp Assessment tab. The Ramp Assessment tab is used for evaluating a signal in case a special condition in the test occurs. For example, if a relay picks up a current, the current amplitude is assessed and evaluated. Note that this evaluation is used only for the states of the ramp type. For better explanation, 3 states are generated in such a way that the first state is adjusted as normal with the voltage of 5 volts for 2 seconds. The second state is adjusted as a step ramp from 5 volts to 20 volts with 1 volt steps, and the third state is adjusted as a step ramp from 30 volts to 50 volts with 2 volt steps. In addition, in the first column, a name, for example, ramp, will be entered for evaluation. In the ramp state, the intended state is selected from the states of the ramp. Note that because this evaluation is only for the ramp type states, the first state, that is as normal type, is not shown in this field, and from the states of 2 and 3, the state 2 will be selected for evaluation. In the condition column, a condition is specified for evaluation, that here the intended condition is specified as receiving the trip signal from one binary. Also in the signal column, the intended parameter for evaluation is selected. For example, the VL1E is selected. It means that the VL1E voltage is evaluated when the trip signal is received. If you want to evaluate other signals simultaneously, you have to right-click, select the Add option and create other columns and define another evaluation. Other existing options in the right-click section has been explained in previous videos. In the signal type column, you have to set the evaluation to be performed on what parameter of the selected signal. Here the amplitude is selected. In the norm column, the intended value of the amplitude in the time of term happening is specified. For example, this value is set to be 40 voltage. In the dev plus and dev negative columns, the positive and negative tolerances are entered, which can be different from one another. Here, to observe the performance of this section, the positive and negative tolerances of 2 voltage and 3 voltage are entered respectively. By running the test in the time of receiving trip 0 to 1 signal by third binary of the device, the actual value of amplitude of the VL1E signal is shown in the ACT column, in which its deviation from the nominal value in the dev column is about 42 in the assessment column. The evaluation result specifies that if the ACT value is located in the allowance range, that is nominal minus dev negative to nominal plus dev positive, the assessment result is passed, otherwise it is failed. Here, because the value of 42 is in the range of 37 voltage to 42 voltage, this evaluation is passed. In the TACT column, the trip signal receiving time is specified and recorded by the device. This time is about 3.39 seconds. Also, in the TACT final step column, the receiving time of the trip signal is recorded from the last step of the ramp, which here is about 399.2 milliseconds. In addition, if you want to define a comment for your assessment, you can enter your intended comment in the user comment column.